Praise be Jesus and Mary. Jesus said to his disciples, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find." Brothers and sisters, tanungin ko nga kayo, are your prayer always answered? Aminin. Yung bang inyong mga dasal, lahat ng inyong mga dasal ay answered prayer? Sino nagsabing lahat ng dasal niya answered prayer? No? Of course, no? Not all our prayers are answered. No? But, no? Yun yung isang accusation minsan sa atin. No? Especially if we are trying to go near to the Lord. No? Gusto nating mapalapit sa Panginoon. No? People will say, ano naman ang nakukuha mo dyan, sister, sa pagdadasal mo? What did you get? Or what can you get in prayer? No? And there was a beautiful story of a person, no, who was persecuted like that. No? Sabi sa kanya, no, sister, no, ano ba nakukuha mo sa pagdadasal mo niyan, pagro-rosaryo mo, pagpunta mo ng simbahan, ano bang nakukuha mo? And you know, her response is really enlightening. Sabi niya, oo nga, wala akong nakukuha. Pero, sabi niya, may nawawala sa akin. Ano yun? No? Wala akong nakukuha, pero may nawawala sa akin. Una sa lahat, nawawala yung aking mga bisyo. Pangalawa, nawawala yung aking pagkamainitin ang ulo. Pangatlo, nawawala yung mga pag-aalinlangan, doubt sa aking isip. Pang-apat, nawawala yung mga bagay na siyang nagpapabigat sa aking puso. Oo, wala akong nakukuha, pero maraming nawawala sa akin. Ganda, no? It is really true. No? And it's said, no, that when God answered our prayer, it is a direction. But when God does not answer our prayer, it is a protection. No? That's why we have nothing to be loose at. Walang mawawala, no? At walang sayang, no? Kasi sabihin ng iba, sayang lang, no? Yung pagdarasal, no? It gives us more than what we expect. And you know, that's what God do in answering us, no? Of course, He does not answer our prayer, those prayer that we have. But when He answered our prayer, it is, sabi nga, siksik, liglig at umaapaw. No? Just remember in the Bible, the stories of great saints and great men. Abraham, for example, no? He asked for a child. And what did God give him? A nation. No? The same thing. Hannah asked for a child to the Lord. But what did God give him? A great prophet, Samuel. Solomon asked for wisdom. And what God gave him? Not only wisdom, but treasures, no? And many, many things. The kingdom of Israel prosper. See? Kaya, brothers and sisters, no? Do not belittle prayer. Because it is our, yung ating, kumbaga kung may cellphone kayo, yan yung ating, chargeable, tawag dito, no? Yung pang-charge ng ating cellphone. No? Kapag wala yan, no? Kapag nalobat ang cellphone, di mo na magagamit yan. The same thing with us. No? And the first thing, I always repeat, siguro nakukulitan na kayo, pero I always repeat strongly that whenever, sabi ni Saint Alfonso de Liguori, whenever a devil wants to destroy a person, the first thing he takes away from a person, from a Christian, is his or her life of prayer. Tandaan niyo yan, no? Tatagalogin ko para sa no? Ang unang inaalis ng demonyo parang isang Kristiyano ay bumagsak at magkaroon ng bisyo at mawala ang kanyang pananampalataya at magloko. Ang unang inaalis ng demonyo ay ang kanyang pagdarasal, prayer. Kaya nga, no, even in the priesthood, even in the religious life, no, whenever a sister, a friar, a father, no, already feel boredom, ayan, and laging late, maraming tatamaan, laging late sa chapel, no, laging late sa prayer, no, laging late sa sa adoration, no, ayan, no? That is a sign that the devil is already taking out your prayer life. Mag-ingat ka. No? After that, ayun na, vocation crisis na. After that, no, goodbye, I hate to see you. No? Paalam na. Ayun na, papaalam ka na. Mother, Father, wala kasing tutulong sa nanay ko. Walang tutulong sa tatay ko. Pwede, uwi na lang ako. Ayan, diba? Why? Because the devil already took away one of the precious and important thing in your life as a Christian. And that is prayer life. No? Kaya nga, sabi ng mga theologians, no, Francisco Suarez, no, although it is not a dogma, no, but many saints and theologians agreed, no, that perseverance is connected with prayer life, spiritual life. You cannot persevere if your prayer life is 0%. That is the source of our strength. Tempted, magdasal. No? Depressed, magdasal. No? Pray. You want to forgive? Pray. No? Yan ang importante. No? All must start with prayer and ends in prayer. Ulitin nyo nga. All must start in prayer and must end in prayer. Yan dapat sa ating buhay, adlaw-adlaw, no? Araw-araw. No? Magsisimula dapat sa panalangin at matatapos sa panalangin. Praise be Jesus and Mary.